Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Voltage Development. And I know that I've been gone for quite a while. You know what, let's just find out how long I've been gone for. What the fuck? Okie dokie. To be fair, I did not actually expect to be gone for that long. 3 months. Holy crap. To be fair, I was actually thinking about making this type of video about a month ago, but I never gotten around to doing it because I had this whole planned out idea of what I'm going to do, but I never gotten around to doing it until now. And I know that this is probably the first time maybe you're seeing my face unless you watch me on my main channel, Absolute Volts. The only reason why I'm actually showing my face on this channel in this video is because there's no point in me just hiding my face, because people know my face from Absolute Volts, my main gaming channel, so it would make sense that I would show my face on my tutorial channel, even though my face doesn't add anything to my tutorials, but it's nice to know who's actually doing the tutorials, you know, the person behind the screen doing the tutorials. The reason why I've been gone for so long is because I have been focusing on my main gaming channel, which is Absolute Volts, and doing so much editing on that channel. I haven't forgotten about this channel. I never forgot about this channel at all. Don't you worry about that. I just forgot to check in on this channel because I was burning out with my videos and my energy giving you tutorials on Unity, ClickTeam. Not so much Unreal Engine though. I told you guys that I would take a break, but I forgot to tell you how long. To be fair, I didn't actually know how long I was going to take a break for, but because of me taking a break, I realized what I loved doing, and what I love doing is learning stuff in Unity, coding, programming, animating, whatever, and sharing what I know with all you guys. Now, the main reason why I took a break, not because I wanted to focus on my gaming channel, but it is because I was getting annoyed with my recording, because I'm using OBS and because I'm using my 5 to 6 year old computer to record it on. It can lag a lot and it can slow down a lot, and the process is just a little bit slow and really difficult to handle sometimes, which is why I have to keep the sort of quality low on my recordings so that the frame rate is smooth and so that you guys can see everything I'm doing and it helps you out and stuff. And I try to make sure that the quality is good enough for your eyes. What I'm trying to say is the hardest thing to do for my computer is to keep the quality good enough, but also to keep it low enough for my computer to be able to actually handle it when recording, because my computer my OBS uses up so much CPU power from my computer that it slows down my tutorials, and that's when it gets a little bit annoying. Now, I've tried using Bandicam, and for a while I had it for free, but that only lasted a little tiny bit, so I could use it, but you'd have to see a watermark. I don't know how I feel about that, so I might just keep on using OBS. Now, to be fair, I have actually gotten a lot of ideas of what tutorials I want to make soon, but I didn't want to make them until I made this video. So now that I'm making this video, I can finally make those videos, yay! Now the thing is, this might be the only time that you see my face, because I won't be using my face in my future tutorials. Well, maybe I might just use my face as a introduction to the tutorial. Maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Another reason why it took me so long to come back is because I keep on having the idea of having a Patreon page where you guys, if you'd like to see certain things that I offer, like tutorials or behind the scenes videos or photos of me making a game, that you'd have to pay like a certain amount to gain access to that content, which is only available on that Patreon page. But because I would be giving you too much, or I would be offering too much, it would put a lot of stress on me, on my hard work and stuff. But if you guys would like me to have like a Patreon page for you to pay to gain access to content I offer, like tutorials, game development stuff like that, if you guys would like that, let me know. But I don't want to do it if it makes you feel like you have to pay for stuff, because I've hated the idea that like I just take your money and I don't give you guys what you want in return, and I hate having that idea. I want to be able to give you guys what you want rather than not giving you guys what you want, and to make sure that your money is worth it. What I'm trying to say is I don't want to beg for money, even though technically it's not begging for money, it's creating a service for you guys to participate by subscribing in a way to gain access to content that I offer. And I don't know why, just not really sure about the idea just yet, but I'm still thinking about it. But for now, we'll just keep things how they are. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. It's been such a long time since I've recorded a video for this channel. It's gonna be so weird coming back. And to be fair, I just started Unity again, and this is the first time I've started using Unity again after like about a couple months, so feels weird to be using it again. And I've actually been making some games whilst I've been away, and those games are Flappy Bird in Unity and Pac-Man, not in Unity but in Click Team. And I've finished the base game of it, but the other part of it I'm still stuck on because I tried to make it in like a creepy way, but I've got no ideas to branch it out into something cool. So anyway, I think this video has gone on for a little bit too long, maybe. Not entirely sure. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I was thinking about actually making this video without my face in it, but you know what? Screw it. You know who I am. You see what I look like. Yeah, I look pretty. Thank you very much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Goodbye, everyone.